Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We're on our deck cover job, patio cover roof, whatever you want to call it. Isaiah and Makari are finishing up the trim details. George Robertson will be here tomorrow to start painting. This is what we've ended up with. All PVC, exterior cladding, treated wood. Just did AC plywood on the ceilings on a 4x8 grid. Boxed the beam out so we didn't have to wrap the crown around the corners. Got some wood damage repaired. Get stuff cleaned up and painted, and this job will be a wrap. So we can help you out with your exterior projects, roofing, siding, patio rooms, any type of accessory roof, porches. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.